Yo, today I'm reviewing Snapback traveling case with strap and can hold up to 6 hats. So my review for this traveling case is a 10 out of 10. Reason why? One of my reasons is this Snapback traveling case is really strong built. And my other reason is the design for the Snapback traveling bag. I picked a camouflage design. You could pick other designs if you want to from the Amazon website, but I picked the camouflage design. And my other reason is you can fit up to 6 snapbacks in the Snapback traveling bag. And by the way, it somewhat is a tight fit to put it in, but it fits perfectly. And my last reason is this Snapback traveling bag have a strap so you could carry it when you go traveling or going out. That's why I give the Snapback bag a 10 out of 10. I hope you guys like this video. Please like and subscribe. See ya guys.